Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to the Station Bakery. In today's video, I'll be walking you through how to make this delicious crumble 3 different ways. This crumble is perfect for all kinds of desserts, as you can see. So, without further ado, let's get to it. Start off by filling a small food processor with graham crackers, cinnamon sugar, and light brown sugar or dark brown sugar, whatever you have. There are no measurements for this, guys. You just flavor it how you like it. Put your top on top and then mix it. I love this small food processor. I received it from my mother-in-law. It's so easy, so simple to use, easy to clean, and it gets the job done. And it's an easy, quick workout for your arms. If you're interested in getting this food processor, I will link one down in the description below. Once you've crushed up your graham crackers to a nice small crumb, you want to go ahead and add in some melted butter. Then mix it. I really like this music, guys. And there you have it, graham cracker crumble. Easy, quick, simple, and ultimately delicious. I used this graham cracker crumble on my peach cobbler stuffed waffle cones. If you did not catch that video, where have you been? But anyways, I'll link it right above here for you. Round 1 complete. For this next one, you're going to start off with some golden Oreos. Now, don't ask me how many. I don't know. You use however many you think you need. Add, take away. It's all up to you. Dip it low, crush your cookies until they are a nice, fine, crumbly mixture. Then take strawberry Jello and pour it in, and then mix it all over again. Once you have an even finer crumb, go ahead and pour in a little bit more butter. And then you know what to do. Mix it. I'm having way too much fun with this music, guys. But hey, if you enjoy it too, let me know in the comments below. You may have to add in a little bit more strawberry Jello, but as with everything else in this video, it's up to you and it's up to your flavor preferences. Depending on the Jello mix that you use, it will affect the color of your crumble. If it doesn't come out to the color that you wanted, just add in a little drop of food coloring. And there you have it, guys. Strawberry Crunch Crumble. Round 2 complete. For this next one, let's bring out the classic Oreos. Put them in your food processor and crush them up. This is by far the easiest crumble that anyone can make. And if you've been enjoying this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you catch when I drop my next video. And just like that, guys, your Oreo Crunch Crumble is done. Round 3 complete. And here it is, guys, your crumble 3 different ways. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead, give me a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.